The inside car, don't know how well you can see, but when I tried to save it, water was up to here, bottom of the steering wheel. Water got higher before it started going down. Go take a look at the trunk now, what's left of it. Oh.
Oh my God.
It's ruined. Just videotaping all this. Shoot. Even out all that used to be black. That's my neighbor laughing at me.